I'm gonna go over right now is how to change your hotkeys, your action bar, your toolbar. That's the bar that's at the top. You click your overflow and you notice at the top you have a pencil. And I'm gonna take this time to go ahead and tell you, in ATAK, anytime you see pencil, that means edit. So we're gonna hit that. And you notice at the top of mine, I have some open slots. But the easiest way, if I come in here and I wanted to bring the ATAK plugin icon up to my toolbar, I'll long press on it, and then I'll bring it up and I'll undo it. And now the ATAK icon is in there. If all your icons are filled up, the only thing you have to do is take that icon, that like the ATAK that I just moved up, just hover it over the icon you want to replace it with in the toolbar, and it'll replace it there, and it'll take that icon that was in the toolbar and then put it back down in your overflow. Now once you do this, you can come up here, you see where it says new toolbar. You can come in here, and now what you can do is you can label that toolbar. And then you hit the old 3x5 floppy, and now it saves it. And so now you have the ability to, if you go over to the cogwheel, now you have your ATAK toolbar. You could have your default toolbar, which takes that down. You can have multiple toolbars, and you can just switch back and forth. What this is great for is, as different people are using ATAK, like somebody that calls in airstrikes, a JTAK, is going to have different hotkeys or icons at the top. Your medic is going to have a different stuff that like your radio guy wouldn't have, or your team leader, and so forth and so forth. So that gives you a way to customize it very unique to your position. The other thing, you can do some more stuff to your toolbar, and I'm just going to go into the overflow again, down to settings, and then we're going to go over to display preferences, and then you see down here you have a toolbar customization. When you click on that, you can literally change, as you notice, if you want your toolbar on your left side, you can just hit it and you change it to the left. I'm going to put it back on my right. But then you can also get in here and mess around with your toolbar icon colors. So you could literally go in there and you could change it to orange, and I hit OK, and then it's changing that. But I could also change my back color. From black, I can just go to green and hit OK. And so as I come out, now you notice that your icons and your back is changed, which that doesn't look very well, but I did that for a reason, to show y'all. So there you go.